Have you ever wondered how to make money with TikTok? It's the viral sensation that's taken the world by storm, the digital playground for the current generation. TikTok, with its short, captivating videos, has woven itself into the fabric of our lives, becoming a global phenomenon. Its staggering popularity and reach extend far beyond mere entertainment. Believe it or not, it's a platform where creativity can be monetized. So, how do you turn those fun videos into a revenue stream? Let's dive in. First, you have to understand the basics of how TikTok monetization works. To put it plainly, there are three primary avenues to earn money on TikTok: brand partnerships, live gifts, and the TikTok Creator Fund. Let's break each one down. Brand partnerships are when a company pays you to promote their products or services in your TikToks. This is a common way for TikTok creators to earn money, especially those with a large follower base. It's a win-win situation. Brands get exposure to your followers, and you get paid for your influence. Next up, we have live gifts. When you host live streams on TikTok, viewers can purchase and send you virtual gifts as a show of support. These gifts are bought with TikTok coins, which are purchased with real-world money. You, as the creator, can then convert these gifts back into coins and eventually into cash. Finally, there's the TikTok Creator Fund. This is a pool of money set aside by TikTok to pay creators for their content. The amount you earn from the Creator Fund depends on various factors, including the number of views your videos get and the level of engagement they receive. It's important to note that each of these methods requires dedication, creativity, and a solid understanding of what your audience wants to see. Once you've grasped these methods, you're ready to start your journey towards TikTok monetization. The key to earning money on TikTok starts with building a strong profile. This is your digital storefront, your first impression, and your personal brand all rolled into one. It's crucial to have a clear and engaging profile that speaks volumes about you and what you represent. Consistency is king here. The more consistent you are with your content and your messaging, the more likely you are to attract and retain a loyal following. The same goes for originality. People flock to TikTok for fresh and unique content, so don't be afraid to let your personality shine through. Engagement is another important factor. Respond to comments, host live sessions, and interact with your followers. Show them that you value their presence and their input. This forms a bond between you and your audience, making them more likely to support your monetization efforts. Remember, a strong profile lays the foundation for your TikTok monetization journey. Now you know the basics and have a strong profile. So what are the strategies to actually start earning money? First and foremost, you need to target the right audience. Think about who would be interested in the content you're creating. Are they teenagers, young adults, or maybe parents? Understanding your audience is key to creating content that they will love and share, ultimately leading to more views, more followers, and more potential to earn money. Next, leverage trends. TikTok is all about the latest trends. If a certain song or dance is trending, incorporate it into your content. This can help you gain visibility and attract more followers. But remember, always stay true to yourself and your brand. You don't want to lose your individuality while chasing trends. Networking with other creators is also a powerful strategy. Collaborate with them on videos, shout each other out, and support each other's content. This not only helps you reach a wider audience, but also opens up opportunities for brand partnerships. Speaking of brand partnerships, they can be a significant source of income. Brands are always looking for influencers to promote their products or services. If you have a substantial following and an engaged audience, brands will be more likely to partner with you. Lastly, don't forget about live gifts. These are virtual gifts that viewers can send you during live streams, which can be converted into real money. With these strategies, you're all set to monetize your TikTok account. Now let's quickly recap the key points of making money with TikTok. First, build a robust profile because it's your digital business card. Second, understand the basics of TikTok monetization, like brand partnerships, live gifts, and the Creator Fund. Finally, implement effective strategies. Engage with your audience, collaborate with others, and stay consistent. Remember, earning money on TikTok is a journey, not a destination. So keep creating, keep engaging, and keep growing.